Hi, how to make money on Amazon. Can you make money on Amazon? Yes, you can, and you can get a passive income from doing it also. That means you're going to be earning money online, and it's so very easy to do, and I'm going to show you one way how to do it. Okay, this is Mike from Your Successful Affiliate Influencer. How to make money with Amazon. Now, one of the good ways, or one of the best ways to make money with Amazon is to be an affiliate. You can also, if you wish, to actually sell product or sell your own products and sell them and send them into Amazon, which is called FBA. But that's going to cost you a lot of money if you wish to follow that line of strategy. Now, one of the best ways to do it, as I just said just now, is being an affiliate, selling other people's products who have got their products up for sale on Amazon. And you then just get a small cut for each of their product that you recommend. Now then, what you will need to do, I'm afraid to say with this, it will cost you a little bit of money, not a great deal. You will need a website to be able to do this. I'm going to show you a website in a minute, or called Wirecutter in a moment, which you can see how they actually do it, and they are doing affiliate marketing with Amazon. Now then, first of all, with a website, what you have to be very careful with a website, some companies where you get your websites from do not allow affiliate marketing. So what you need to do when you go online to look at different companies who you are going to use, then you need to send them a message and ask them, can I use you for doing affiliate marketing and say Amazon also, because some will say yes to that. But if you're going to say I'm trying to make money online and selling digital products for making money online, then they will probably might say no to that. So you need to check. And you must do this, otherwise they will shut your otherwise, as I say, they will shut your website down. And the first thing you will need to do is, whatever you're going to call your website, you will need to get an actual website name. And probably the best place to go for that is GoDaddy. And what I also recommend when you're trying to get yourself a website name, get a .com site. Now, when you get a .com site, sometimes they can be extremely expensive. So you need to have several names you can put forward when you actually, as I say, go into GoDaddy, and keep putting them in until you find them. And then you'll probably find it's going to cost you somewhere around about $10 a year or something in that respect. As I say, but sometimes you can put a .com in and they're going to turn around and say thousands of dollars for that particular site. So be very careful on that. Make sure, as I say, a .com, and then get a reasonable price one. And if you've got a name, twist it around a bit if you find it's not actually, if it's becoming expensive. Try to and get it. I mean, one method I've used in the past is I put a name in and they want an extraordinary amount of money in. Then I put HQ on the end before I put the .com, which means headquarters, or which comes to be short for headquarters, and it's then come out around about between $6 to $10 a year for that website. So you need to use your common sense in finding a name for your website. Now then, what I'm going to do now is go over to Wirecutter and show you how this works. Okay, here we are in this website called Wirecutter. Now, as you see, I can scroll down through and it's got different various things here. But what we need to do is actually go into one of their sections. Let's go into home and garden. Let's see what else what we can do. Let's go into bedroom. Right, yeah, just taking a few minutes to load up there a minute. And if you come down through on their website, you see you've got different different mattresses here, etc. And if we say, let's just click onto if we click onto this one here, we do that here, and we come down through. You will see here, right here, if you click onto this here, this would take you, or this is the affiliate for this bed site in Amazon. And if you click here, as I say, not you, but on this website, whoever clicks onto this actual website, then if a person actually buys this particular product, then the company which owns Wirecutter will get a cut from, or will get a cut of the money when this person actually buys from this, or actually buys this product, should I say. So as I say, if we click on here, we can go on to kitchen dining. If we go on to, let's say, cookware, it just takes a few seconds just to load up. There we go, down through here, we got all the different products which they do here, like cast iron skillets, best Dutch oven, best small saucepans, etc. And if you click onto any of these, what will happen is, up will come, let's click onto best Dutch oven. We can just hold on a second while it comes up. There it comes up again, same again. Here tells you everything about the actual product itself. And if we scroll down through here we go again. In fact, this person has got 3 different affiliate sites he's actually selling from. Here he's selling from Amazon, Walmart, should I say, sorry, and Home Depot. So as I say, what you need to do to be able to sell products from Amazon is to create your own website, and then what you do then, you promote their products on or from Amazon, or as I say here, I'm saying Amazon, but here, as I say, this guy here also is doing other companies as well, like Walmart and Home Depot. Well, this is how these people make a lot of money on these. But as I say, you need a website, and you're going to need lots and lots of different products. But you can start off with a website just with a few products, get your site up, then gradually over a period of time, you can add more pages, and then you can also add more products over a time. So you don't have to do everything all in one go. You do it over a period of time and build up your website. As I say, it's a very good way of making money. Now, to become an affiliate with Amazon, that's so very easy to do. Anybody can do that. If you put in the Amazon and go into the Amazon website, then you scroll down to the bottom of Amazon. It will say down the bottom, you will see down there the word affiliates. All you need to do is click onto that word affiliates. Then up will come a form which you will fill in. You would like your name, your bank accounts, etc., or your PayPal account, I believe it is actually. Then everything you fill in all the information about yourself. Then click say yes to be an affiliate. Then it will automatically go through to them. You will then get an email back from them to confirm it, and then they will send you the actual ID you need to use to be an affiliate with Amazon, and that's it. Everything is done for you. It's very very, very straightforward to do. So there's no complication to do with it. It isn't if you've got to be a certain person, you've got to have done affiliation work before, etc., etc. No, you don't. You can be an absolutely complete novice at this, and it's such an easy way to do. Now, the only other factor on top of this, once you want to promote any products, is how you're going to promote your website. Now, that really depends whether you've got money to promote your website. If you don't have money to promote your website, well, then the best way to promote your website is to do some YouTube videos like I do. And of course, doing YouTube videos, that is absolutely free to do that. If you wish to do advertising like on Facebook or Google Ads, etc., well, obviously then that's going to cost you money, and it depends what sort of area you're going, especially with Facebook, it depends what sort of area you're going to cover, whether it's going to be around your home city to start with, just to get yourself going, which can be reasonably cheap. I think it's somewhere around that's only around about $20. But if you start covering whole countries, then you could be looking at $500-600 at a time. Or if you're looking over the whole world, well, then that even goes up a great deal more, as I say. Google Ads, well, I've got to admit, I have tried Google Ads, and I've never really, I've never had success with Google Ads, to be perfectly honest. I know you need to get the right keywords in, etc., but I've never had any success with that. So I'll be quite honest, if you're going to do advertising, I would say Facebook, to be honest. You've got Pinterest, but I've never used anything like that before, to be perfectly honest. So as I say, I would say Facebook is probably the way to go. Now then, if you're looking to make money online and you're looking for something totally different to this, I can also help you in another line of direction also as well, which is to make, as I say, to earn money online, which is, you will also see below, I have a free ebook down below here, which give you the basic instructions for you to start to be able to make money online. Also, if you want help, and you're not sure how to start to make money online, also, if you wish to do another line of avenue, you will see below that 15 steps to success below. This is a program which has got 15 videos in it, which you will also get a coach on this, which will help you or to teach you how to make money online, which I can thoroughly recommend. It's a course I've done. So as I say, I can thoroughly recommend this course. And if you wish to go direct to this course, you can. Otherwise, if you download my free ebook, once you've downloaded that free ebook, I will send you a link to this course, which you can look at. You don't have to do it, obviously, but even if you just look at it and see if this is what you want. As I say, it will help you. As I say, you will get a coach on it or a mentor, whichever word you prefer to use. They will ask you questions if you understand what these videos are about. You can also ask them questions, obviously, as well, if there's something you don't understand. And I say, I do thoroughly recommend this course. Now then, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please click the subscribe button below, then click the little black bell next to the subscribe buttons for notifications for when my next video comes out. This is Mike signing off from your successful affiliate influencer.